had a good night last night. The winds picked up, so early in the night we were sleeping in the bow of the boat. Boy, it was rough, hard to sleep, bouncing around a lot, you feel a lot up there. And then we got up, did the night shift, and the sun's just coming up. You can see here, awesome sunrise coming up from the east. The waves are pretty big. We're cruising at like 8 to 9 knots right now. It's blowing about 22 knots at the moment. And in the background here, I think you can see it. Where is it? The moon's just setting right over here. Last night was a full moon night, so that was really cool to see. We had an awesome moonrise right around dinner time, right after dinner. Sunset at the same time, and then slept for a few hours, and was using the Skyview app. The Skyview app is really cool. It allows you to point up your app at the sky and you can see Jupiter, Saturn, Venus. As well, it'll also highlight all the constellations out there and show you like Aquarius, Sagittarius, Capricorn, all the different constellations as well, the North Star, things like that. So that's a really nice app to have. Yeah, amazing day here. Sea all around and horizon line. Sun's coming up over here. Awesome sunrise. And a full moon setting in the background here. Another good day on the Atlantic Ocean. Out. Spent the last couple days fishing, and there was so much seaweed in the water that after a short time that my lure was in, it would get seaweed around it, and I'd have to reel that all the way back in, and it was like fighting a fish. And then there's no fish going to take your lure with a bunch of seaweed on it. Clean it off, try it again. Did it all day yesterday again. The last 4 days we've had heavy seaweed in the water all around us, so today is the day where the sea is quite clear of seaweed, so I'm hoping to keep it in the water a little bit longer, give us a better chance at maybe catching a fish. While we sail here, we are going pretty fast, 8 knots, but lines out there and lures in the water, so we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we'll finish this video with a fish on board. Okay, lines in the water, and we'll hope for the best here. Kind of nothing better to do at the moment. I'm just sitting here sailing away, so why not try to catch some fish while we're doing it. See the sails up here. We just have the main out at the moment. We're doing 8.5 knots, force 5 winds. And coming right up on the tail of us here off to the side. So the Yankee and the stay sail are in because we don't need to put that much on the mast. We're cruising, and the wind is in a good direction. The seas aren't too bumpy, so do a little fishing and see how it goes. And great route to Portugal, Europe, from Bermuda. We're about 650 miles in right now. Should be there in about 10 days.